the season for hummingbirds. So if you are looking for some simple ways to attract more of the beautiful birds to your yard, you have come to the right place. We are happy to have Abby Lapides with us back from Sugar Creek Garden. She's our garden guru. Abby, it's always so good to see you.
Thank you for having me.
So hummingbird season, when does it officially kick off?
Pretty much now.
Okay.
End of April, early May is when we start seeing them in our yards. They come here this time of year to nest and raise their young. So to get them to come to our yards, we want to have nice protected spots for their nesting sites and lots of food and water.
So I am so naive. I don't even know where a hummingbird nesting site would be.
So they typically nest in small trees, shrubs, and woody vines.
Okay.
So having a tree and shrub in your yard is usually a good enough spot for them. And then of course food, we're talking flowers.
Okay.
They love nectar off flowers. So having lots of flowers in your yard blooming basically from now through September is the best way to get them in your yard. And they're obviously beautiful, so you can have a gorgeous garden with basically just hummingbird attracting plants.
And I'm guessing some of these, the blazing star, is a good one.
Yes, definitely. So hummingbirds are not super picky about what flowers they like. The key is they have a lot of nectar. They are, for being so tiny, they are voracious eaters. They basically are eating all the time when they're awake. So there's a misconception that they need to only be red. That is not true. While there are lots of wonderful red flowers that they do love, really anything with good nectar is ideal. One of my personal favorites is a blue flowering annual sage. I see them on them like crazy, so I plant one every year, and it is absolutely, I think, their favorite plant.
And hummingbirds, we're seeing so many pictures of them here. They come in a lot of different colors too.
Well, there's typically only one type that we see most of the time here. It's the ruby-throated hummingbird. And the male has like a big red crest right here, where the female just is brown. But they're so cute. And occasionally we do get some other types, but those are usually when we're talking hummingbirds, that's the one we're talking about.
And as we look at this, A, gorgeous, B, hummingbirds heaven.
Yes, hummingbird heaven here. So if you want to learn about more hummingbirds, you can either go to our website and learn about all the flowers, but if you come on into the nursery, we have tons of flowers that hummingbirds absolutely love, ready to go to start a great hummingbird garden.
And then quickly, is there any type of hummingbird feeder or just the plants?
Yes, you can use a feeder if you don't think you have room in your garden. The key is you want to start getting it out now, this time of year, and be consistent about filling it and keeping it clean. If the hummingbirds don't have enough food or a good enough food source, they'll just move on to somewhere else. So you got to be consistent about it, but you don't need one to attract them to your yard.
I love having Abby here. She doesn't make me feel as silly with some of the questions that I have to ask. Abby, thank you for being here. Man, they are so busy at Sugar Creek Gardens. You should check them out. It's a beautiful place, sugarcreekgardens.com online, or go there in person, have a conversation with one of the garden gurus like Abby. You can swing by the nursery at 1011 North Woodlawn Avenue in Kirkwood. Guys?
I'm gonna have to swing by because I don't have a garden.
But you
Put that on your bucket list, man.
I do need it on my bucket
Yes.
list. In my apartment.
Oh, well, there's that.
Thank you, ladies. Well,